Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode or switch to dark mode or the light mode in Chrome app on computer. So launch your Chrome browser and right now you would be able to see the entire website and the menus and everything is appearing on light mode. If you want to switch to the darker mode, what you can do is you can open this URL, which is Chrome settings, Chrome:/settings, and once you open this Chrome settings page, here you would be in the left panel, you would be able to see this appearance. Just select that option, and from here there is a second option which says mode and which is currently set to light. You can choose from the drop down to the dark, and which will automatically switch to the darker mode. Apart from that, you also have this themes where you can open it in a Google Chrome web store, and you would be able to see any darker theme that is currently available. So in this way you can switch to the darker mode or switch back to the light mode, or you can choose the device mode, whatever the device currently is set to. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.